Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool automatic electric rotary desk telephone, and this is Dale's equipment from California. And this telephone, I've got a note with it, has been in his family for a very, very long time. And it's been out of service, and I guess they had it packed away. And they want it to work. So what we need to do, this is the initial checkout. We're going to go through the telephone. We're going to check this line cord, and since it's a hardwired situation, we're going to remove that, and we're going to install a modular port adapter so that it'll accept any modern jack, and we'll get that taken care of as long as the cord is in good condition. We want to go ahead and give you a look at this telephone. The cap did not make it in shipping, so we're going to replace that cap for the transmitter, but we want to go through the transmitter, the receiver. We want to check the handset cord, and naturally we want to try to use, these are some pieces off the transmitter cup. We could glue that back, but we're just going to replace the cap. So what we want to do is try to keep everything that we can original to the telephone. So we'll go ahead and give you a look at the inside. I want to show you the telephone. We have some personal information there. It was probably an old number, but that is personal information. I want to cover that up. I want to show you the bottom of the phone. It's in very good condition for its age. We'll give you a look at the inside. We'll set that to the side. And that kind of gives you a look at the inside of the telephone if you've never seen the inside of one of these. Also, A&E had a pretty cool design I want to show you here. Now, on a Western Electric, there would be a screw on each side of the mount here for the rotary, and you would take the screws loose, and then you could take the rotary off. And A&E had a really nice design where you just kind of push in a little bit and you slide the rotary down and your rotary comes out. So it's a very cool design idea. And we also want to go through our block here for our wiring. We want to check everything there. We want to go through the hook switch. We also want to clean that. We want to go through the bell circuit and the bell. We want to oil, clean, and adjust the rotary. So we'll be going through the entire phone, and we're going to get this telephone in working condition once again for Dale, and then he'll be able to use this telephone once again. So we're going to go ahead and get a start on this, and we'll take a short break, and we'll come back when we get some more finished up with it in our final checkout. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this telephone, and we're going to run through a little bit about what went on. We went ahead and installed a new plug on the end of the line cord. The line cord was good. That was troubleshooted. We also went through the transmitter and replaced the cap for the transmitter on the handset. We went through the receiver. We checked our handset cord. We oiled, cleaned, and adjusted the rotary. And it returns like it should. We also went through the network, checked all the connections. We repaired a few connections. We also went through the hook switch and the bell circuit and the bells. So now what we want to do is start our final checks, and we want to go ahead and ring the unit, but I also want to talk about our pickup here, and our pickup is amplified, and that's so that you can hear the audio when we're checking the telephone out. So we'll be turning the amplifier on here in a second when we give you dial tone. So we'll go ahead and ring the unit. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We'll turn our amplifier on. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. I'm going to turn off the amplifier because I want to transmit into the handset. So if you watch that red light, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So we know that this telephone is ringing in on a ring cycle. It's dialing out. It has transmit and receive. I have a button on this switch box, and when I push that, that totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. So we'll go ahead and do that. We'll turn our amp on, give you some dial tone, and we'll call that number.
Good evening. Today is Wednesday, November 19th. The time is 11:19. Current temperature 35 degrees.
Partly sunny today, then becoming mostly cloudy, highs in the 40s with temperatures falling into the 30s in the afternoon. Partly cloudy tonight, lows around 20, mostly sunny Thursday, highs in the upper 30s.
Okay, we can also call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. We can turn the amplifier off, hang the unit up. Now that we know that this telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Dale and he can enjoy this telephone once again. It's been in his family for a long time and they're going to be able to use it, and that's pretty cool. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.